Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Super Starburst bracelet. If you don't know how to make the regular Starburst, this bracelet probably isn't for you quite yet. So, what you will need is 5 pin bars, which are these thingies, the clear parts, 1 big blue base, right there, and then 4 small blue bases. You're going to need 4 of these. A hook. I'm using the metal tipped hook, which you can get from Michael's or www.rainbowloom.com. A C-clip. Ding, ding, ding. A C-clip. And at least 2 colors of rubber bands. If you do 1 color, it just doesn't look very good. And then, colors I will be using are glow-in-the-dark white, purple jelly, and turquoise jelly. And it takes about 80 rubber bands. And you do need high-quality rubber bands. Yeah, get your supplies and get ready for step 1. Your loom needs to be set up like this before you start laying any rubber bands. The pin bars need to be in this configuration. The blue bases, doesn't really matter how you place them, whatever's best for you, but this is what I suggest. So you're going to take your first border color, I'm using white, and you're just going to drop it on the first pin, which is the one in the middle. And then you're going to place this one from here to here. And then all the bands that you place, you need to push down right away. Well, you can do it later, but it's just a lot easier if you do it right away. Then you're going to go from this pin over to this pin. And then from this pin to this pin. And then you're going to go from this pin up. And this pin up diagonally. And then up right here. So you're basically just creating a hexagon. And you're going to do the exact same thing that you did on the left side to the right side. So up diagonal, up diagonal, down, up. Just so you know, if my hand looks like it's in some weird way like that, it's because I'm reaching around the camera. And then over. Now you have your hexagon. So you're going to need to repeat this 2 more times up your loom, unless you're making it double length or however big it needs to be to fit your wrist. Figure out how big that is, and then so do that and get ready for step 2 done. Step 3 is going to be to figure out what band color you want to be for your inside star, and that's the star that's going to go right here. The color I am going to be using is my purple rubber bands, purple jelly. So first you're going to go from here, the middle pin of the entire hexagon, up diagonally to the right. Take another band and go from the same place this one started, down to the right. Like that. And then take another and put it from here to here. And then another from here all the way over to there. And then from here to here. And then up. Now you're going to place your outside ones, so it's the outside star. And for that I'm going to be using turquoise jelly. So you're going to start from right here place it up. Then place it up from here to here. So at every corner on the hexagon, you're just going to place a band straight in whatever direction it's going to the nearest purple. So take another. That's what it should look like now. Your next step is to place a capped band. And I'm going to place mine and wrap it 3 times around the center. 1, 2, 3. So it's a triple looped cap band. Now you're going to go up, and for now I suggest get all the centers done and check back for step 4. Once you have all your bands placed, you want to just check and make sure that you think it will work once you loop it. And that means having the blue bands under the purple ones, and then the white bands under the blue ones. And now we're going to turn our loom around so that the red arrows are facing towards us, or the little pegs look like ends. Whatever that font is that looks like the ends are really rounded. I forget the name of the font though, but I like it. Anyway, we're not going to start by placing a cap band. We're going to start by going into this cap band and taking the top rubber band. You're going to pull that off and place it to the other end of it, which is right here. And then you're going to go in, grab the top band, and then place it on the other end of it. Go in, grab the top band. Wait, what? Hold on. Go in, grab the top band, pull it to itself. And if you ever grab the wrong band, just make sure you know which one you're supposed to grab. So you go in this order. Start from this pin, go all the way around. So do that on all of the other stars, and then you're going to do the blue bands next. Once you have all of your Starburst, which is the middle ones, purple for me, looped, you're going to loop your blue bands now, or the ones that are taking this band out. So for that, we're going to go in through all of these purple bands, grab the blue band, and just pull it to the corner. Go into this one, grab all the blue bands, the blue band, pull it to the corner. It'll get stuck sometimes. Go in, grab the top band, pull it over. Go in, grab the band, over. If it falls off, it's no big deal. You don't even need to put it back on, although it can help to do it. There. So once you've got that done, do all the rest, and then get ready to loop your white band. Once you have all of your inner pieces done, now you're going to loop your white bands. But first, we need to place a cap band. So the long-awaited cap band will get placed right here. But in case you don't know what a cap band is, it's a looped band. So this is going to be a double loop cap band, which means it's just got 2 little loops, and you're going to put it on. And what I suggest doing is not putting it on just this pin, but also stretching it on to another pin nearby. For me, I'm using this one. If you don't have very high quality rubber bands, like DIY or like Fun Loops, stuff like that, then I would just put it on this pin because those are not that stretchy. So we're going to go inside the blue and the white, so the blue band's on the white cap band. Grab the top white, and you're going to pull it to this pin. You're going to go in again, grab the white, pull it to this pin. Now you can just remove this and have it be on just this peg. And go in this one, grab the bottom band, pull it to here. Then go in, grab the bottom band, bring it up, and you're basically just going to go around on this side. And then get the bottom band, bring it over, bottom band, over. And then do the exact same thing on the other side. Now, do the rest of your white bands, and then get ready to take it off the loom. Your bands are all looped. We're going to take the bracelet off the loom. But first, we need to close off the end. And that's what this little band that we dropped earlier is going to do. So, I'll actually do it this way. So hold on to one end, go through all of the rubber bands on there until you find that one. And then pick it up, bring it through, and then put it on the hook. Now we're going to slide it up to the part where you hold the hook. And then just take it off the loom. Once you've taken it off the loom, you should have this. Now you want to take your C-clip and just clip it on to these bands right here. I kind of seem to have lost mine and don't really feel like getting one. So just going to tell you, clip it right there and then make your extension from this capped band. And if you don't need to make an extension, just put it right into the C-clip. So yeah, like, subscribe, and comment down below what other kind of bracelets you think I should make.